Hopefully he picks up. We might be about 40 minutes, so I don't know if you want to come a little bit earlier. You got your bags? Oh, cheers, mate. Take it easy. I've got a booming round here.
It is indeed.
Oh, good.
Good to see you, man.
Alright, he says he's going probably right there.
Nice, let's do it. Let's do it.
Let's go.
For this one, we have inspired Chinese dumpling, so from a gyoza.
This is different.
It's like everything that I probably wouldn't order, but we'll try.
We have a jello basic. The second, we have a white cream of garlic.
Tasty. Meet Milan. Fresh tomorrow. Yeah. See you in the morning, fella.
Peace.
The thing that Leo doesn't know is that tomorrow, well, he thinks that we've come out here to get some headshots for the agency, but in reality, we're actually going to surprise him with a $2,000 Mac Studio display, I believe it's called.
Yeah, we'll have to be at the shops for 10, bang on.
See you in the morning, guys.
C'è la luna in mezzo al mare, mamma mia, mi maredate. Figlia mia, cuttature, mamma mia, ci pensa tu.
Yeah, we'll try and figure out what we're doing today.
Yeah.
We'll get some nice headshots for the agency. We'll get some casual ones.
Yeah.
I need to get my laptop back out. Thank you very much.
Grazie.
Ooh, these look delicious. Grazie. Fluid, mate. Fluid. That's good. Maybe we'll just sit here all day.
Absolutely.
Eat some food instead. Thank you. Proper Italian coffee is what we've been waiting for.
What's round two?
I think best bet, you don't want to lose the camera, so I'll nip down there, grab it, hopefully come out with it, and then yeah, we'll shoot off. He's getting an Uber now. Fucking massive, isn't it? It's gonna have to give it him.
Yeah,
I can't hide this from him. It's too big.
no chance.
Too big. Right, we've got 20 minutes till we need to check out, so we'll rush back. She wanted my passport, so I was like, fuck's sake, I don't have my passport on me, but we managed to get it anyway. Still 5 minutes away.
Yeah.
I'm excited, man. I'm excited. Are you alright to jump out and give us a hand? We've got quite a bit of stuff in the boot. Yeah, what colour's your car? Grey? Right, cool, man. Right, see you in a sec. Really? Yeah.
Hey,
Hey, a
Leo.
little present. Go and open it, man.
Shit. No way. Bro.
Hey, mate, you've smashed it, man. You've been working so hard. The least I could do.
Dude. Oh, it's massive.
Heavy, man.
Thank you.
Upgrade the setup. Mate, you've smashed it, honestly. You've been working so hard.
You didn't have to do that. Shit.
Let's rock and roll.
Thank you.
Let's go. When you got the camera in your face, isn't it?
Yeah.
It's always hard receiving presents, isn't it? Especially when there's a big camera in your face.
Yeah.
Bro, you're crazy. I bet it'd be like, what the fuck's just happened?
Yeah. You're probably processing it.
That's too funny, man. Alright, let's attack Milan.
Explore Milan.
Attack Milan, baby.
I thought you were like going for shopping or something like that because
Yeah.
you said we need help with. I thought you bought a lot of stuff. Yeah, I was not expecting that for sure.
I need some heels on for sure, man. I can't have him walking around like
I know.
5 inches taller than me. Looks like the boss around there. Cool, so we just got into Milan Centre. Leo's going to show us around. Apparently we've got the cathedral around the corner. I've not seen it in like 3 years. So you're saying it's huge. Yeah. Have you seen it, Azzy?
I've not.
I've not seen it. Let's go and look at it. mate. That is impressive. Yeah, that was crazy, man. I think we'll get some pizza now. Pizza or pasta?
Nah,
both.
Pizza.
Do both.
Yeah.
Yeah, let's get it. What have you got there? Pesto?
Basil, pesto.
Nice.
Mate, this is going to wipe us out.
What do you go for, Jack?
I've got no idea. Leo, what is it?
It's like normal margarita.
Just with extra cheese on?
Yeah, extra cheese. And 2 types of cheese inside.
Nice.
Leo's recommendation.
Yep. It's so big that it flops off the side of the plate. Look at that.
Yeah, exactly. That's their
proper pizza
signature.
right there. That's the secret.
Yeah. And also it's gonna be very light. Like it's not gonna be heavy on the
Hey
stomach.
mate, we'll take his word on that. I don't know how this could be like. I think we're going to go get a few coffees now, and then we're going to start the bar crawl, get a few alcoholic drinks in us, maybe taste a few wine. I'm going to give Leo enough wines to make him drink drive all the way home. You won't want to sit on that, would you? Starting the one of many now. We're starting off with a Peretti. Pat of Pere. Cheers, fellas.
Cheers.
I think what we're probably going to have to do is create, it's a brochure, so I think maybe like a really long PDF, almost like a web page,
Okay,
for people to scroll down on.
Yeah.
Now Jack's gone,
Yeah.
tell me a little bit about what he's like to work with, how have you found it?
He's great. I mean, I wasn't really sure I was good enough for the job, but he made me so comfortable working with him, and it's also very fun. Like we're like in video call all the day.
Yeah, it seems a good balance of work hard and play hard.
Yeah, for sure.
Yeah.
I mean, yeah, we work really hard,
Yeah.
but that's the best part of it. Like,
And then all of a sudden I get like a huge paycheck in, be super motivated, be like, right, it's actually going to work, this is going to work.
Yeah,
and then
yeah.
like, where's the fucking money coming from? I'd be
Yeah.
getting like millions of views through doing tutorials and being like, why is no one buying?
Yeah.
And it was because it wasn't niched out enough. It was
Right.
like, I was doing normal graphic design tutorials, but they weren't like branding specific, they weren't solving anyone's problems.
Yeah.
So then switching it to brand design completely demolished the views, but then revenue wise made like more money than ever. If someone sent me like my designs remade, I'd be like, that's fucking good.
Yeah.
Let's get you on. And then if you're offering to work for free, it's like after Leo's first week, I was like, mate, I've got to pay you.
Yeah.
He was gonna do 6 weeks for free.
yeah.
But then like straight away I was like, mate, I've got to pay you.
Yeah,
This
yeah.
is, we're cooking. This
Yeah.
is good.
Yeah.
And then yeah, smashed it, man.
Yeah.
Let's go. 2 pints in. Next place. Trying to go somewhere a bit nicer. We've had no smokes yet. I've got a half marathon next week, so we might get maybe 1 cigar, maybe 2. We'll see. I feel like I should be selling a course down here or something. Do you know what I mean? Guys, if you want to buy the course, then $4.99 link in the description. You're gonna be rich in like 2 weeks.
We're gonna be rich in 2 weeks.
I got that from the vlog. Right, we're gonna break Leo. We're gonna get him a cigar. His first ever cigar. A true test. When you're doing non-stop, you've got to have at least 3 cigars for your initiation. So we're gonna spread them over because he's had 1 pint now. He can't drink again. So the next best thing is we're gonna get some cigars. Do you want one?
Are you getting one, Leo?
Yeah, I'm getting one.
Oh, do you mind? Please.
We'll get one more as well, thank you.
Yeah.
He was already flinging it around, mate. He's a pro. Hey, you can't put your shades on. This is your rules. Nice. Officially initiated into the Nonstop team, mate. Congratulations.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Yeah.
So I was saying like the last vlog he did at the end he was asking like for a full-time designer.
Right.
Actually a really good experienced designer.
Yeah.
And I was like that's not me, but like fuck it. I'm gonna send my resume because I did some personal passion project. So I created like a portfolio like a web portfolio. So I just I'll send it.
Yeah.
And since I texted him like 2 years ago, so he was kind of impressed that I also offered to work for free for 6 weeks, which I think it was good because I got the opportunity, and like after 2 days, we already set me up the Google account, the agency account, so it was nice.
Unreal.
And yeah, I got super lucky. Starting from zero will be so hard right now.
Yeah.
Put in the email, didn't you?
Yeah.
You said I reached out and you gave advice. So I was like, I wonder what I said. And then I looked back, it was like 2021, you were like, hi, I'm 17, looking to get into graphic design.
Yeah.
And I was like, holy shit, this guy's still watching. I was like, this guy must be the guy. What you want to do?
Yeah.
When it's in your mouth?
Yeah.
Why are you doing it?
Where's the smoke? It's already hot. Oh, fuck.
There you go.
Thank you.
Nice, come on. It's the Nonstop initiation. If you want to join the Nonstop team, we are only taking killers from now on. Leo's a certified killer, that's why he got the MacBook screen this morning. We want one more person to join the team, so Jack at nonstopbrandingagency.com, links in the bio. Send us some case studies, some example work, and we might be working with us and coming to Milan next time. So the next trip to New York, we might see you there. We're going to have a few more pints, but we're probably going to round the vlog off there. It's been a good trip, eh?
Was. Thank you so much again.
It's all good, buddy. Cheers.
Cheers.
Cheers, man.
Cheers, man.
Cheers, boys.
Cheers, lads.
Good trip.
What a trip.
Now this inquiry has only been possible because of today's sponsor, Framer. Framer is a no-code web building tool that allows you to create amazing websites with animations that would usually require a developer. If you head over to the Framer marketplace, you will see a bunch of different Framer templates, free or paid, that are going to help you kickstart your agency and get clients quicker. And alternatively, if you already know about Framer, I've just released my new brand guidelines template on Framer as well. You can see we've got a fully interactive brand guidelines template. So once you've signed your client, you can go away, execute the brand identity project, get the Framer template, and wow them with an interactive brand guidelines template. So first link in the description, click the Framer link and use the code JackW.